Hello again, everyone. David here. Just wanting to make a little quick video of unboxing of my monthly wealth preservation purchase. If you've watched my videos, you've known that I've always talked about preserving your wealth through the purchase of precious metals, of course, and your health through the through the ingestion of cannabinoids like CBD. But we're gonna do one of my monthly. I think I just did one, but the reason why is because this one was on a delay. So this was from the month before. And so this was my May precious metals investment. So I like to say to everybody, make it like one of your bills. Make it like your phone bill. I mean, how much do you spend on your phone bill every month? I mean, do you go out to eat every day, once a week, twice a week? I mean, just for going out for some pizza is like $20. You could do $20 a month. Don't go out for pizza one time a month. Use that, go to your local coin dealership and buy a silver eagle, or a generic bar of silver, 0.999. If you can do a little bit more every month, then that's even better. Because remember, you're doing it to preserve your wealth, man. And so it's like insurance for the future, like paying insurance on your vehicle. You do that every month, right? Why? Just in case. Well, this is why we do this. We like to say, hey, man, you need to preserve your wealth by a precious metal purchase every month. So let's see what this one is all about. I don't remember. I just know that I try to get the best deals I can for what I'm trying to do. And that's what we can help you to determine. Again, I have lost so much when I first started doing this because I didn't understand the concept of precious metal stacking, how to do it, and what my goals were. You got to find out what your goals are. Now, this is not financial advice. This is preservation, wealth, what we do to preserve our wealth, and what I do, And so, why do we do this? Why silver? Why gold? I mean, really, I only buy silver now. But why do I buy silver every single month? Why do I even do that? Watch some more videos, you'll see. But really, again, to preserve your wealth, I like to say, if you look at a 25-cent piece before 1964, and you look at the price of gasoline in 1964, 65, it was about 25 cents a gallon. Now, if you look at today's prices, it's about around $2.50, $3. Now, that silver quarter, that's how much that silver quarter is worth, $2.50 to $3. It hovers just like gas does. Now, oh no, I dropped the Jewish on wine. The reason why you want to collect silver and stack it is so you can preserve your wealth. See, what the government is doing in the central banks are they're continuously printing more currency. Now, what makes something valuable to begin with? Now, what makes something valuable is that there is a minimum amount in quantity of that item. So, I'm going to just give a wild example. So, if this pen right here, it was the only pen like this in the world, and maybe it had something special. I'm not too sure what, but it's a special kind of pen. Maybe the ink never ran out or something like that. A pen that the ink never ran out. Now, there was only one of these. Now, that would be extremely valuable. It'd be valuable anyway, but if there's only one in the world, it's going to be extremely valuable. But if there's 100 of them, 1,000, 1,000,000, now, it's not going to be as valuable as it was if there was only just one. The more that they are, the less valuable the other one becomes. So if you were to buy one of these only ink pens, one in the world, for let's say $10 million, and then they went out and they made 100 more of them. Now, they wouldn't be worth that much more. Maybe they'd still be worth the money, but yours wouldn't be worth as much because there's a lot more out there now. And then they made more and more and more. That would just devalue yours because there's a lot more. So if you try to sell it, you would not get it for the same price. Because why? There's a lot more out there now and they're not worth as much. The same thing with our dollar bills. Same thing with American currency. The more that they print, the less valuable the ones that you have in your pocket are. It's the best analogy I can give to that. So what do? We use that currency to purchase precious metals, especially like silver, because it's so undervalued right now and you can get so much of it with your currency. Now, silver is in limited supply. They can't just go and print it up. They gotta literally mine it. Gosh darn it. Okay, sorry about that. But okay, so now again, the more they print, the less the money, the currency that you have in your pocket, your bank is worth. Not to mention the rate of inflation. Now again with silver, you got to mine it. It's hard to mine, to refine, and they can't just make up silver. Now, the difference between silver and gold, however, is that silver is being used up everywhere, in the industrial sector, in the clothing sector, in the health sector. I mean, they're putting it in yoga pants, microscopic units, but they are. Like it's in your keyboard. I mean, it's everywhere in microscopic bits. It's being destroyed all the time. I believe in 1980 there was over 10 million ounces of silver or billion ounces of silver above ground. And now, like in 2017, there's like less than 500,000 or something like that. It's like extremely, extremely depleted above ground silver. Now, there's way more gold above ground than there is silver, and so they're gonna be a manipulation of the prices. It's been so that it's gonna have to converge and go right. Now, let's see what we got today. And again, I try to maximize my currency. Depending on what you're trying to do and how you're trying to structure your preservation of your wealth will determine exactly what you're going to buy. Now, I like to buy semi-numistic coins and generic coins. These Chewy Chan Wangs from South Korea are really, really awesome. I got this 2017. Oh no, I just tore the bag. No, I didn't want to tear the bag. It's a 2017 South Korean Chewy Chang Wang proof. They come in these little things. Now I got the 2016 gold and silver, which were the first releases, and now I got the 2017. I waited for it to be on sale, and I got like $30 off of the regular price, which is an extremely good deal. Now I like to collect these because I'm a collector now too. It's a great price for a proof, and I believe that silver is gonna go up to about, I don't know, $100, 3-digit silver. Then I'm gonna be able to double my or almost triple my profits in this just with the price alone, just with the spot price alone. Yeah, see, I paid $64 for this, and so if it goes up to $100, I'm already almost doubling my money in just the silver bullion alone. But it's a special coin. They didn't make a lot of them, and so dealers like this and collectors. Excuse me. Let's see what else we got. I'm so into these Chewy Chan Wangs and the South Korean and silver coin and China coins right now. We got us some. So a lot of times I buy certain coins because it's part of like a drawing, and if you buy these coins, you're entered into the drawing. That's why I got this silver Philharmonic from the Perth Mint, because it's part of that drawing, and I only paid $17 for it, so I paid like $2 over the spot price. Now $17, if it goes up to $100, like geez, I just 5 times my price of this. And you can use it to purchase whatever you need to. Now, if you have that $20 in the bank, what's going to happen if the prices inflate and we have a inflation of our currency? Now, I bought 3 half-ounce Chewy Chan Wangs. Okay. Okay, so that was my monthly purchase from the prior month before, and it was just a little under $100, like $99 or something like that. And I got myself 1, 2, 3, 4.5 ounces of silver for less than $100. So, and on average, it's almost about $22.50 per ounce, or 23.33, something like that. And so it wasn't too bad. Again, I believe silver's gonna have to fly way up into the triple digits. In 2011, it was hovering between $45 and $50. Now, the reason why it's where it's at isn't because of the supply and demand, isn't because there's so much abundant silver everywhere, isn't because it's being recycled in excess amounts, isn't because they found this big old huge silver mine and now they're mining the heck out of it. No, it's because of the manipulation of the price. Now again, the way that they determine the worldwide spot price is by the commodities exchange in Wall Street. And so basically there's about 175 paper ounces to every 1 ounce of silver that there is on like physical silver. So if any of these individuals decide that they want their physical, there's not going to be enough to supply as much as they sold on the market. and they've already been caught red-handed. Deutsche Bank's been caught red-handed. Banks in Europe been caught red-handed. They basically did plea bargain deals to get out of it, paid little bits of money and slap on the hand, and while the rest of us are hurting. However, take this opportunity. Use this opportunity to your advantage, because they suppress the price so much, you and I can collect and stack so much of it. If it was at $50 an ounce, I would only have been able to get 2 ounces with the currency that I have right now. And so if you look at it like that, you will see that the currency that you have will be able to purchase so much and will preserve that wealth, so we transfer into the next paradigm. Again, please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell notification. Please share with everybody you know. Wealth preservation should be on every American's mind. Now that the whole world can do this, we can go up and do it. Thank you very much. Sorry, sir. And again, share it with everybody you know. Leave a comment and a thumbs up. Till next time, guys, I'm David, and NM Brief Relief with NM Silver and Gold Exchange, preserving your health and your wealth. CBD, silver and gold. Till next time.